Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to generate a vertical list using AI in Google Sheets. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Launch. To generate a vertical list, we will use the GPT list function. First, click on the cell where you want it to appear. For this example, let us generate a list of 5 best fruits. To do that, let's type this formula, =GPT_list, open round bracket, double quotation marks, then type list 5 best fruits, double quotation marks, then close round bracket. Then press Enter. The extension will process your request, and in just a few seconds, it will generate a vertical list with each item showing up in its own row, starting from the cell you selected. So, that is how you generate a vertical list using AI in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.